Welcome to this demonstration of the Odoo Construction Estimator module. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your construction project estimations. To begin, we'll navigate to the Odoo APS section and quickly activate the Construction Project Estimator module. Once installed, you'll find it seamlessly integrated into your Odoo environment. Now, let's create a new construction estimate. We'll start by selecting our client, Deco Addict, and then apply a predefined template, such as the residential construction template, to quickly set up our project. We'll name this project Building 1 and categorize it as a residential building, estimating a duration of 550 hours. The module allows for a detailed breakdown of costs, grouped by type. As you can see, we have categories like foundation work and structural work, including items such as excavation, rebar installation, steel framing, and concrete pouring. We can easily group these cost lines by their type using the Group by Cost Type button. This gives us full flexibility to modify and assign product categories to accurately reflect your project's cost structure. Once your estimate is complete, it can move through various approval stages. We can transition the estimate from draft to under review, and then to approved. If any revisions are needed, the estimate can be easily rejected with a specific reason. After approval, the estimate can be converted into a quotation. You can then send this quotation directly via email or preview it instantly as a PDF document. The generated PDF provides a comprehensive overview of the order, detailing all construction costs clearly categorized for your client. Clients can also access their quotations through a dedicated portal, offering a transparent view of the sales order and cost breakdowns. Beyond individual estimates, the module provides robust reporting capabilities. You can view detailed cost summaries by type, giving you an overview of total and untaxed sales grouped by product category. You can access all of your estimates from the main menu, where they are easily filtered and sorted. From here, you can also access the reporting tools, which provide a clear overview of your projects. The Cost Summary by Project Type report displays untaxed sales, grouped by the project type. Finally, for more advanced customization, the Configuration section allows for easy management of project types and cost types. Here you can define new project types like commercial or industrial to suit your business needs. You can also manage your cost types and product categories to ensure your cost breakdown structure is always accurate and up to date. Thank you for watching this complete overview of the Odoo Construction Estimator module. We hope this demonstration has highlighted its potential to enhance your construction estimation process.